Caribbean Store is saying goodbye to its regulars after 34 years. The rum shop, located in the heart of Palm Beach, is a popular spot indeed. Now, the owners retold their success journey to musician Michael Lampa, who shared the story with us. Success doesn't happen overnight. This is no exception when it comes to the Caribbean Store.
I've been told by Perucho himself, he came to the island and started to work at a local shop. And I think it was in '76 that he started to work at Turibana, a rum shop. He got a job offer there, and while he was working there, he realized that he really wanted to have a place on his name, and it became a dream of his to open his own place. And this dream became a reality in 1980, and which became the Caribbean Store. Much smaller and not the way it is today, of course, but during the 34 years they grow it into this Caribbean Store vibe, which is an icon on itself on the island.
This family-owned and operated business is a popular spot for all. Locals as well as tourists alike enjoy the atmosphere and service the rum shop has to offer. The customers that the Caribbean Store attracts differs in status, background, and where they work, which is probably one of their most unique aspects. Each and every one of their customers enjoys the casual spot all the same.
Yeah, I mean, it's incredible how many tourists come here and they feel home here. They have also contact with Perucho, with the family from abroad already, and actually there is a few tourists that are coming over now just for a few days, just to be here for the closing of Caribbean Store. They're coming, I think, for 3 days, and so it's a beautiful thing to see how a rum shop like this has that spirit of people bringing people together. All status are off, you know. It's really a nice place to meet up, and in this sense also great because it's also locals and tourists that meet up here and have a history and a relationship with the family of Caribbean Store.
When it comes to the future of this iconic bar, new owners will be taking over, but the name and concept will leave with Perucho and Denny.
Of course, Caribbean Store in itself, I know it's going to close. It's the last event this Friday, and so for Caribbean Store and the name, it's gonna go and into the past with Perucho, who decided that you know, it's time for him to sell the store, and I know it's gonna be in good hands from what I heard from them, and it's gonna be a new, fresh owners that's gonna take it over.
A big farewell party is planned for Friday night at the Caribbean Store, so tune in on Thursday night right here on Channel 15 ATV to find out all the details.